Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to use Claude AI to write Roblox Luau scripts. So open Claude AI and start a fresh workspace chat session. Do not jump straight to the code request. First, type out an explicit markdown tree, mapping out your relevant parts, scripts, and UI paths. And you can paste in this exact structural layout template that I'll give you, so Claude knows the environment boundaries before it writes a single line of logic. Okay, so just paste this and send it. After that, you can explicitly instruct Claude to append the strict performance header to your script. For example, you can instruct the AI to swap out ancient global commands like wait or delay for the modernized task library system. And then guys, copy the output code from Claude, add into Roblox Studio, drop a clean script into server script service, paste the syntax, and let it run. So stop treating AI tools like magic text boxes and start treating them like junior programmers that need strict system blueprints. That is it, just feed that context into Claude and create. Hopefully this was helpful guys, enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe.